Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to look at switching costumes. So what is a costume? A costume is a different version of these sprites. These are here in costumes. We can see we have these different sides. Okay? It is just giving us the look, the feel of that my robot is moving or saying something. Okay, so these are called different costumes. Okay, so in my program, if I am going to give it, want to change it to any specific costume, it is just going to go there. Okay, but if I want randomly just changing the looks, just changing the costume, I'm just going to write here next costume. So if it is faster, it will give you the feel that it is moving. So these are the costumes, that's how we change them. In looks, we have, after that, we have backdrops. And what is a backdrop? Backdrop is the background we can use here. We can get the background from this backgrounds. We are going to add background. We have plenty of backgrounds here. We can use anything. Let's say I want to use a camp. Okay, my robot is at a camp. You can see the camp here. Okay, so we have only one backdrop here. Okay, let's see. Let's go to sprite, and this is backdrop 1, that is, this is backdrop 2, or just next backdrop, because we don't only have two backdrops here. Why don't we add some more backdrops here? And in the second scene of a camp, we can take this one as well. Okay, now we have three costumes. One is blank, one is camp, and another third one is another camp. I'm just going to here and switch backdrop to next backdrop, and in the backgrounds, if I am going to click on that, here we have in the costumes, I can delete this one. Okay, so I don't want the white background. Okay, just going back to the sprite again. Mm, Here we have, and when I'm going to click, we only have two backdrops now, or the backgrounds. We can change it as we like. Okay, so with this thing, with switching backdrops, we can just go to next backdrop or specific number of backdrop, or we can go to the previous backdrop, or we can also select random backdrops. If we have many backdrops, we can use these ones. In the looks, with the backdrops, this is the same thing. Okay, switch backdrop to camp 2 or camping or next backdrop, and wait. Okay, maybe if we want it to wait for something, we can just do it like that. It is going to switch the backdrop to next backdrop and wait for something. If we are going to give it some instructions, it is going to follow for that and wait for that to happen. Okay, another one for the backdrop is next backdrop. This is a simple, we don't have to get from these selections. It is just clicking the next backdrop. We can make it move very fast and in the simple instructions. So these are the commands, or your programming lines for switching costume and the backdrops. Costume means your character, or your robot. And the backdrop means the background. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.